Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp. Whether you're refining your message, updating your audience, or tweaking your design, knowing how to properly edit your campaigns ensures your email marketing stays sharp and effective. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This brings you to the Mailchimp homepage where you can access all your email marketing tools. Once you're there, look for the login button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter your account credentials, so go ahead and sign in to access your dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find several navigation options, but for editing campaigns, click on the menu item labeled Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. Now scroll through your list of campaigns until you locate the one you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on its name to open the campaign details. This will give you a full overview of that particular campaign and allow you to make changes. If the campaign is still a draft, you'll see a button labeled Edit. Click on it to begin modifying your campaign. This is where you can adjust various elements to ensure your email is exactly how you want it before sending. To adjust who receives your campaign, click on the two settings. This allows you to change the audience or refine your segments if necessary, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Next, if you need to update your subject line, click on Subject. A compelling subject line can significantly impact your open rates, so take your time here to craft something engaging. Now, let's focus on the content itself. Click on the section you want to modify. If you need to change the overall layout, click Edit Design. This gives you access to the structural elements of your email. To modify text and images, click Content. This is where the real customization happens. Once you're in the content editor, you can type or edit text directly in the content blocks as needed. Simply click into any text area and make your changes. If you want to replace media, drag a content block, such as an image block, to the desired location. Then upload or select a new image from your library to refresh your visual content. Before finalizing your edits, click Preview to review how the edited campaign will look. This step is crucial as it allows you to catch any errors or formatting issues before your audience sees them. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, click Save and Exit to save your edits. Your campaign is now updated and ready to be scheduled or sent. And there you have it, you've successfully edited your Mailchimp campaign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.